All right, so I'm working on something really cool, but it's taking forever to get out. So I thought we'd do a quick little Jarf, hit you in the head with a little project. Jarf! So, little girl next door that we babysit from time to time came over and she starts playing with my fidget spinner. And I wish I had a cool fidget spinner like you. And so I said, all right, let's get on Makerverse, Thingiverse, Makerspace, I don't know, whatever that's called. We got on that website where you find all your download files, and I found a little fidget spinner that I put together for the little girl. Right. So, with a couple of M10 nuts, some 608 bearings, a wee bit of super glue. By the way, love these little super glue mini boys. You get like 4 of these in a pack. Every single time I've ever used super glue, it's dried up in the nozzle, and it's just, I've had a big old bottle of super glue become completely useless after the first use. Ta-da! This is the Pokeball fidget spinner, downloadable on Thingiverse, link in the thingy thing. Isn't that cool? Isn't that fun? How nice is that? Look at that. Isn't that fun? And I just happen to have all the right colors for this, and it didn't take long to make. It's like maybe 3 hours total worth of printing all the parts, which is nothing. The thing that took me the longest was getting the size right for this guy, because the part in the file did not print correctly. I mean, it did, but it didn't make that nice super tight fit within the bearing, so I had to print it at like 101, 102% of the original size. It feels nice, it spins good. It spins fine, it doesn't spin as long as my professionally made spinner. Not that I'm like a fidget spinner guru. They gave this to me for free at the local vapor store. That's the only reason I actually own a fidget spinner to begin with. But I thought this was fun. This was a good little project, and it looks nice. I love the way that looks. As a kid who grew up in the 90s, having a Pokeball fidget spinner that I get to give away, it just feels good. So I can't wait to see the video of her reacting to getting this. It is just super, super nice looking, and I think she's going to be over the moon about it. Jarf! Hey Sadie, I got you a present. You should come over here and find out. All right. What do you think?
It's great!
Yeah?
I love it!
I thought you might. Isn't that fun?
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome. Okay, so maybe that was ever so slightly underwhelming, but you know what? That's okay. And anyhow, she ended up throwing a fit later and kind of destroying part of it, and the things that fit in the little ball bearings, they didn't come out that great. It was not a great project. But on the plus side, I do have something I am very, very excited to show, and I'm just cutting together the video now. So, prepare yourselves for the Mark 1 of the Jarf prototyping board. I know I'm excited. Jarf!